Hello, my name is Sanna-Mari and I'm your travel inspirator here in the channel FinnVoyager. I'm choosing my destinations quite randomly, but most of them are in the tropical or subtropical climate because I love beach holidays. This is the channel for you if you want great tips for very nice resorts, but not too expensive. The internet is full of different kind of villas, resorts and everything, but I will help you to choose the right one. I will check for you best hotels, not in the highest price category, but mid category. Usually they are around 100 euros per night. I will check for you good hotels and villas, resorts with excellent reviews. In this channel you got great tips for tour operators, food places, massage places, spas and different kind of things what you can do in the destination. The tour operators I'm mentioning here in my channel are checked. I have had those excursions, so I know that they are good. If you like the content, please subscribe my channel and enjoy the travel experiences. Okay, I'm going swimming.